Welcome back, everyone. We're Volverco. We're a sticker printing company that prints anything and everything sticker related. And today we're going to show you guys how to format your own stickers so you can get them exactly how you want and avoid common mistakes. So let's get right into it so you can get your own stickers exactly how you want. All right, so we have our 3 designs here. We're going to go through each one individually just to show you how easy it is. So first, we're going to go on to our Cupid. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna select the whole thing. We're gonna copy and paste it. When you do copy and paste, we're gonna do Command C or Control C because we want to paste it in the same exact spot. We're gonna do Command or Control Shift V, and then you can see it pasted into the same exact spot. So what we're gonna do now is we need to grab our cut line. So we're gonna unite the whole thing, and you can see it just made it into one single solid shape. And then sometimes if your shape is a little bit more complicated, there will be like a small circle on the inside. What we're gonna do is do divide and then unite again. And if you can't find your Pathfinder window, all you have to do is go into Windows, scroll a bit down, and then Pathfinder. And that goes with any window that you need, whether it's swatches, layers, Pathfinder. It'll be in your Windows tab. Easy as that. So now it's a solid color. We only want the outline. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to get rid of this fill color, and then we're gonna go into the stroke. The thing is that if you want your printer to register your stroke color, you have to create a new swatch color. So you could go onto any one of these or create new, and you're gonna have to copy this one right here. So it's gonna be Perf Cut Contour. You need to spell it exactly like that. If not, it won't register. And then most of the time it'll be on to process color. You want spot color, and then go on to CMYK because that's what most printers are actually on. And then what I just did, because you want a color that's bright just so you could see it, I went to cyan and brought it all the way to 100%. The color does not matter. It's really these right here that matter. So then all we're gonna do is press OK. And this one is ours. So it filled in. What we're gonna do is go onto stroke, Perf Cut Contour right there. So like I said, we're just gonna select this one, get rid of the fill if it does fill again. And if you zoom in, you can see that you have your cut line. So that's exactly what you want. We're gonna go a step further, and if you select this, go on to your direct selection, you can see all the anchor points. And we're actually just gonna simplify this because when you peel your sticker, you want everything to be smooth. So what we're gonna do is go onto Object, Path, Simplify, and usually I just select Auto, and that should be good enough. That's our first design. It's easy as that, and we're gonna go through the other ones just so we have that repetition and it's easy for you to understand. We're gonna select the whole thing. Remember, Control Copy or Command Copy, and then when we paste it, we're gonna need to hold Shift, so Command Shift V. So now let's close this one, go on to this one. We have 2 designs here exactly layered on top of each other. What we're gonna do is go on to Unite, Pathfinder, Unite again, because you never know. We're gonna get rid of the fill color, go onto the stroke, and then select Perf Cut Contour, and then you can see this one has a lot of anchor points. So what we're gonna do is go back into Object, Path, Simplify, Auto, 21 points, that's good enough. But you can see everything simplified. And then for the last one, we're gonna go onto this one, it's a bit bigger. Let's close this, open that. Remember, Control Copy, Command Shift V, select the whole thing, make sure you have everything selected, go onto Unite. Let's see if this one created anything. No, that should be good. So then we're gonna go onto Divide and then back to Unite again. And then what we're gonna do is get rid of the fill again, go onto Stroke Color, and then you can see the anchor points. So what we're gonna do is go on to Path, Simplify, and 23 points. It's simple as that. And then to export these artworks, what you're actually gonna do, because you want the printer to register it, is go to select your object, go into export or export selection. But since we're not on a artboard, what we're gonna do is go onto export selection, name this Cupid. And then we're gonna go into PDF. There you go. We're gonna go into the settings just so you have the same exact ones as mine. So all you're gonna want to do is actually put this into press quality, because that's meant for printers and cutters. So save settings and then export selection. And it's easy as that. So we're gonna send those straight to our printer and get it cut, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final outcome. So it's easy as that, just to format your own stickers. So if you have your own cutter at home, or you want to get them printed directly from us, you can visit our website, bulwarkco.com, and we can print your very own stickers with different materials. If you stuck around to the end of the video and you want to order directly from us, you could use code WELCOME15 at checkout for 15% off. So make sure you like and subscribe to check out our next videos. We'll be going over how to format sticker sheets, hanger tags, and more. So thank you for watching.